Hello, good morning students. How are you? Today's class is some special words and idioms or phrase. Some special words, all educated people sometimes using some special words. These words especially using in Western countries, UK, Canada and other Netherlands countries. Heading special words, bracket idioms, IDIOMs. Heading underlined. First one, Girl Friday. GIRL, Girl Friday. FRIDAY. What do you know Girl Friday? Means lady secretary. A female secretary serving in a multinational company or under the, working with the personal manager or managing director or any chief minister, governor. Such a lady is called Girl Friday. Many foreign countries, if they want lady secretary, they give the paper, wanted Girl Friday. She must be qualified, fluent in English, French and other language. Okay? Suppose a man is secretary, this is known as Man Friday. MANFRIDAY, Friday. Man Friday means male secretary. Our former Chief Minister's secretary was Girl Friday. Our another secretary or another Chief Minister was a man. That man known as Man Friday. The multinational company's manager, managing director, or a Chief Minister, or any VIPs, their personal secretary is called Girl Friday. Suppose man is called Man Friday. Okay. Next one, cabin fever. CABIN. Cabin fever means suppose you are sitting alone in a room without any friends for more than 3-4 hours. Nobody is there. Nobody should talk to you. Nothing to read. So such occasion is called cabin fever. CABIN. Cabin fever. Now many people are feeling cabin fever because of corona. Some are isolated in quarantine alone. So this type of people have some feeling and in a desperate mood. Such occasion is called cabin fever. CABIN fever. FEVR. Okay. Means sitting alone in a room for a long time. Nobody should talk. So nothing to read. No television. Nothing. So such occasion is called a person such occasion is called cabin fever. CABIN. Okay. Next one. Go by the books. So कानून से जाएगा. कानून कैसे जाएगा? Go by the books. Okay. सपोज अपन किधर भी जाएगा गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में, इधर अपना काम नहीं बनता है, 2-3 महीने में चलते हैं पेंशन या. Many people tell, sir, if you don't arrange my pension, I am standing for the last 6 months, then I go by the books. मैं कानून कैसे से जाएगा, मैं नहीं मन सिर्फ वो. Okay. So for the last 6 months I am running up and down for collecting my pension, but so far I have not done. So I'll go by the books according to law. I'll go according to law. Then you don't feel bad. Strictly, I'll go by the books. Means I write letters, authority, and I'll go to the court or something like that. So such word is called go by the books. GOBY, by the books. Next one, there's another phrase. Suppose a heavy rain is always in Kerala or other parts of India, even Western country, without any stop for the last many days or even weeks. Such a rainfall is called in Western country. You can also hear. It's called cats and dog. CATS. Cats and dog. DOGS. Not dog and cat. So praise. Write down. CATS. Cats and dog. It means heavy rainfall for the last many days. Cats and dog. CATS. AND DOGS. Equal to, write down, heavy rainfall. When the heavy rainfall we are seeing for the last many days, we can say, when standing in the road, oh my God, what a cats and dogs for the last 10 days. Once again, oh God, what a cats and dogs for the last 10 days. Okay? Next one, dress to the nines. D-R-E-S-S-E-D. Dress to the nine, N-I-N-E. D-R-E-S-S-E-D. Dress to the nine, N-I-N-E. Means अच्छी तरह से कपड़ा वड़ा पहन के जाते हैं ना अपन शादी में या फंक्शन में, उसको बोलते हैं अच्छा कपड़ा, अच्छा फैन कोट सूट, इसको बोला जाता है ड्रेस टू द नाइन. D-R-E-S-S-E. Dress to the nine, N-I-N-E. Means well dressed person. Example, when you go for any party or marriage, we must be well dressed person. As people never give respect, because you are judged by the dress you wear. When you go for any function, party, or any function consists of more than 1,000 people, VIPs, such time your dress, your garment, your dress, pants, shirt, or your sari or salwar, ladies, that must be very attractive, so will get respect, because you are judged by the person. You are judged by the dress you wear, especially for interview, in marriage function. So that is called dress to the nine, D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dress to nine. So we can see the girl is dressed to nine, so she looks very attractive. The girl is dressed to the nine, so she looks very attractive. Okay. Then when we are in extremely happy, एकदम खुश रहता है ना, that time we बोलते हैं एक on cloud nine. On C-L-O-U-D. On C-L-O-U-D. Cloud nine, N-I-N-E. एकदम खुशी, मैंने extremely happy. Once again, on cloud nine. On C-L-O-U-D-N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E, nine. मतलब very happy. एकदम खुश मूड, संतोषത്തിൽ. Extreme. She is on cloud nine after winning the Miss World title. She is on cloud nine after winning the Miss World Beauty contest. Okay? Next one. Seventh heaven. Seventh heaven means same. Ekdam Kushi mood. S-E-V-N-T-H. Seventh heaven. H-E-A-V-N. Extremely happy. Same meaning. Seventh heaven. S-E-V-N-T-H. H-E-A-V-N. Means extremely happy. Both Kushi. Ekdam Kushi. Example later. Some people are in seventh heaven. When they are watching cricket match. Some people are in seventh heaven when they are watching cricket match. Next one, tycoon. T-Y-C-O-O-N. Tycoon. T-Y-C-O-O-N means a powerful influence businessman. A powerful and influential businessman. Example, he may be world famous. Example, Ambani, Tata, Birla. They are famous businessmen called tycoon. T-Y-C-O-O-N. T-Y-C-O-O-N. Tycoon. Powerful and influential businessman. He may be world famous like Ambani, Tata, Birla, like that. Then next, icon. I-C-O-N. Icon means famous film star. World famous film star. I-C-O-N. Icon. Example, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, then Aishwarya Rai. These people called icon. Not ordinary, it's famous all the world. Example, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, then Salman Khan, Aishwarya Rai. All these people are called icon. I-C-O-N. Okay. Next one. Deep pocket. D-E-E-P. Deep pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Very rich people. D-E-P. Deep pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Deep pocket means rich people. Example, sometimes we are approaching deep pockets for constructing temples and churches. Ordinary people cannot give lakhs of rupees. Example, we are going to build a church here, so we want to approach some deep pocket to collect fund. Deep pocket means rich people. DEP, deep pocket. Next one, canny person. CANNY. Canny person means is able to think alone and take a decision in any emergency time. He doesn't want to discuss anybody. Or she doesn't want, she got that much brain power. Such a person is called canny person. CANNY. canny person. इसको दिमाग पड़ा है, कुछ भी इमरजेंसी में कोई भी सिचुएशन में पैसे का बोलो, कोई काम में बोलो, इसको दिमाग बड़ा है. Think and well and plan. That is called canny person. CANNY. Uncanny, opposite. Stupid. Chitya. UNCANNY. Uncanny means stupid. Fool. It's not so intelligent. Okay. Next one. Next one is cosmopolitan. COSMO. Cosmopolitan. POLITAN. COSMO. Cosmopolitan. POLITAN. A person who has traveled and lived in many countries. एक आदमी बहुत बड़ा लोग सब घूम के फिर के उधर रह गया बहुत साल, ऐसा आदमी को क्या बोलते हैं? कॉस्मोपॉलिटन. COSMO. Cosmopolitan. POLITAN. A person who has lived and traveled in many countries of the world. Such a person is called cosmopolitan. COSMO. POLITAN. Okay. Next one. Numismatist, coin collector. Some people are hobby coin collector, old or new coins from different countries, coin collecting and keeping large number of coins. Such a person is called numismatist. Spelling NUMISMATIST. Meaning coin collector. Once again, spelling NUMISMATIST. Numismatist means coin collector as a hobby. I know many people, they are collecting coin of different countries, Italian, German, UK, Canada, American, Indians, French and Arab countries coin and keep in a bigger box. Maybe around 1 or 2 lakhs rupees coin. But they never sell it. They keep it forever. They hand over to their next generation, their son or daughters. Okay. Next one, dead letter day. DEAD, dead letter day. DEAD letter day. DEAD LETTR day. An important day. Very special day. Example, in India, August 15th is the red letter day history of India. DEAD, डेड लेटर डे, एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट डे. अपन इंडिया को कौन सा दिन है? वो अगस्त 15. एग्जाम्पल लिखो. एग्जाम्पल, August 15th is the red letter day in the history of India. August 15th is the red letter day in the history of India. Next one, ugly customer, enemy, dushman. UGLY, ugly customer. CUSTOMER, customer. Ugly customer means एकदम दुश्मन, एकदम enemy. Example देखो. At one time, एक जमाने में, at one time, जापान and America were ugly customers. एक जमाने में अमेरिका और जापान दुश्मन लोग था, उसको बोलते हैं ugly customer. Example once again, at one time, Japan and America were ugly customers each other. Okay? At one time, Japan and America were ugly customers each other. Next one, shooting the breeze. SHOOTING, shooting the breeze. BREEZE means gossip, time pass. Gossip बोलते हैं, GOSSIP मीन्स टाइम पास करते हैं बैठ के शाम को, कुछ उसका बारे में, इसका बारे में, स्कैंडल, which creating something, fabricating something about a person, about a girl, about a lady. So this is called shooting the breeze. Sometimes शाम का टाइम बैठ के इस तरह के बाजू में बैठ के कोई जाते भी थे उसके बारे में मजाक उड़ाते या आजू बाजू वाले के बारे में बुराई बोलते, उसको बोलते हैं शूटिंग द ब्रिज। SHOOTING, शूटिंग द ब्रिज, BREED, time pass, wasting time. Some youths are unemployed, so sometimes a group of boys sitting on the side of somewhere in the garden, they are shooting the breeze, gossiping about neighbors, using something, criticizing. They never use any positive word about that person. That is called shooting the breeze. Okay. Red carpet welcome. REDCARPET, रेड कार्पेट वेलकम मीन्स बड़े बड़े लोग को आता है ना अपने इंडिया में या अपने उधर जाता है, अपने प्रधान अमेरिका जाते उधर जाते हैं, उसको जो एकदम स्वीकार देता है ना, एकदम बड़ा स्वागत करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं रेड कार्पेट वेलकम। REDCARPET, रेड कार्पेट वेलकम। लाइक प्रेसिडेंट, गवर्नर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, all these people get red carpet welcome wherever they go. Not for ordinary men, only for VIPs, very important person. Example, write down. We rolled out, we open, ROLLED, we rolled out, rolled out red carpet to American President on his visit to India last year. We rolled out red carpet to American President on his visit to India last year. We rolled out, ROLLED, rolled out red carpet to American President on his visit to India last year. Okay. These are the special words. Next one, down in mouth, DOW, down in mouth, एकदम दुखी में रहता है, extremely sad state. Down in mouth, extremely sad, दुख में रहता है. And the Xanthi flower, XANTHIC flower, FLOWER. Xanthi flower means एकदम beautiful girl. Xanthi, XANTHIC, Xanthi flower means most beautiful girl in the world. Once again, XANTHIC, Xanthi flower, FLOWER. Xanthi flower means the most beautiful girl. Example, Aishwarya is Xanthi flower in India. She is famous in the world. During beauty pageant, she got a Miss World. So such a girl is called Xanthi flower. सब कोई छोटी छोटी बात को बड़ा करके बात करते हैं. सो ये वर्ड बोले, सर यू आर मेकिंग ए माउंटेन आउट ऑफ ए मोल हिल. आप छोटी सी बात को बड़ा करके बताते हैं. एग्जाम्पल ऑफिस में, सर यू आर मेकिंग ए माउंटेन, MOUNTAIN, माउंटेन आउट ऑफ ए मोल हिल, MOLEHILL. सर यू आर मेकिंग ए माउंटेन, MOUNTAIN, माउंटेन आउट ऑफ ए मॉल, मॉल हिल, HIL. आप एक छोटी सी बात को एकदम बड़ा करके बताते हैं. छोटी सी बात है, ऐसे कोई करते हैं सर. अपन लोग घबराते हैं छोटे छोटे बात के ऊपर. अपना सुपरवाइजर, अपना मैनेजर, तो ऐसे बात करते हैं. बोल सकते सर एक्सक्यूज मी, यू आर मेकिंग ए माउंटेन आउट ऑफ ए मॉल हिल, इट्स अ सिली थिंग, छोटी सी बात. ओके, आप इतना बड़ा क्यों करते हैं. आगे, पिलर टू पोस्ट, PILLAR, पिलर टू पोस्ट. एक काम बनने के लिए इधर उधर जाना पड़ता है, कम से 4-5 मिनट तो बनता ही नहीं है. उसको मिलो, वो फाइल रेडी नहीं, ऐसा टाइम में पिलर टू पोस्ट. उधर जाओ, फर्स्ट फ्लोर में जाओ, सेकंड फ्लोर घूमो, बाद में नीचे आओ. मतलब फिर एकदम हैरान हो जाते हैं, टाइट हो जाते हैं. बस को पिलर टू पोस्ट, PILLAR, पिलर टू पोस्ट, POST. You have to visit different places, different time for a matter. Example, to make a ration card. Example, write down. My father had to run from the pillar to post to get a ration card. My father had to run from pillar to post to make a ration card. Once again, example, my father had to run from pillar to post to get a ration card. Next one, don't make the money fly. Don't make make the money fly. FLY. पैसा वेस्ट मत करो. डोंट वेस्ट द मनी. तुम्हारा कोई तो ऐसा करेगा, प्लीज़ डोंट मेक द मनी फ्लाई. विदाउट इन्हें खर्चा मत करो जास्ती. पैसा संभाल के रखो. ऐसा पैसा ज़्यादा उड़ाने वाले के सामने बोल सकते हैं, प्लीज़ डोंट मेक द मनी फ्लाई. प्लीज़ डोंट मेक द मनी फ्लाई. FLY. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन. ब्लैक शीप. BLACK. ब्लैक शीप. SHEP. कोई घर में समझो 4-5 बेटा रहेगा, लड़का लोग, वो कोई घर का नाम खराब करते हैं, दारू पी के आते हैं, ऐसा गुस्से को मारते हैं. सो बड़ा खानदान का है, मगर उसका वजह से पूरा खानदान का नाम खराब. सच्चे लड़के को यू आर ब्लैक शीप इन द फैमिली वर्ग. समाज के लिए वे घर के लिए ठीक नहीं, बाकी 5 बेटा या 6 बेटा उसमें से एक रहता है. इससे जब से 7 में रहेगा, बीच में का रहेगा, 4 नंबर रहेगा, 3 नंबर. लेकिन ऐसे लड़के को, सच्चे बॉयज़ कॉल्ड ब्लैक शीप ऑफ द फैमिली. दारू पिएगा, उधर गिरेगा, इधर उसको मारने को जाएगा, गाड़ी देगा, लड़की को मजाक उड़ाएगा. सच्चे पर्सन वो घर का इज्जत निकालते हैं. सच्चे पर्सन, सच्चे बॉय इज कॉल्ड ब्लैक शीप. BLACK. ब्लैक शीप. SHEP. ओके. ऑल दिस आर study these words. When you talk English, when highly qualified people talk English, they are using this type of words. That time you can understand what the meaning. If you don't understand, you'll be thinking about this. What is the meaning of such words? Okay. Have a nice day.